an effort to enhance education sector, arts and culture in the country, the Swazi MTN Yellow Care program will renovate Ndlaleni Primary School, which is presently in a dilapidated state. This was said by Swazi MTN's Chief Executive Officer Ambrose Dlamini during the launch of this year's 21 Days of Yellow Care project at Swazi MTN headquarters in Ezulwini.
The 21 Days of Yellow Care was established 11 years ago with the aim of enhancing the education sector and arts and culture in the country. According to Swazi MTN's Chief Executive Officer Ambrose Dlamini, this year's program will resume on the 1st of June until the 21st of June 2017. Schools that will benefit from this year's project are Ndlaleni Primary, Sitegi Schools for the Deaf, Lamdladla High School, Makobotvo High School, Velebanfu Primary, and Mazombizwe Primary.
This is an annual employee volunteerism initiative here at MTN, which seeks to secure high participation of our employees in the program. We have new partners this year. For instance, Tibio Tarangwane, if I can give an example, we are working with them for the first time this year. They are providing, I'm told, over 20 scholarships. So this is part of the program, what we'll be sharing and giving to various students in the different schools that we'll be visiting. So we are very excited. As I said, this is the 11th year of the 21 Days of Yellow Care.
Dlamini further thanked the companies who have collaborated with MTN in this project. The companies include SEL, Nika Hardware, Build It, Tibio Tarangwane, PS Systems, Correctional Services, Huawei, Global Paints, and many others. Reporting for Swazi TV News, I'm Zodwa Dlamini with Smuva Shongwe in Ezulwini.